Sindhi Kadhi, a popular dish from Sindhi cuisine. It is a flavorful and tangy curry made using besan and assortment of vegetables. Let us have a look at the recipe. Take 3 tomatoes, chop them and blend to a fine paste. Set it aside for the time being. Here I have taken 15 cluster beans, that is gavaar, 1 drumstick peeled and chopped, 10 to 12 bhindis, and 2 potatoes peeled and chopped into large cubes. Heat 3 tablespoon oil in a thick bottomed kadai. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of methi seeds, a pinch of asafoetida and few curry leaves. Saute this for few seconds. Add 4 tablespoons of besan. Saute the besan on low heat till it loses its raw smell and turns aromatic. Now add 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 2 chopped green chillies and saute it again for few seconds. Add 1 cup of water and keep stirring. Now add the tomato puree and keep stirring. Add another 1.5 cups of water and keep stirring on low heat. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder and salt as per taste. Keep stirring and bring it to a brisk boil. Once it boils, add the chopped veggies, drumstick, bean, gavaar and potatoes. Cover and allow the vegetables to cook. In the meanwhile, heat 1 teaspoon oil in a pan, add the bhindis and saute it on low heat. We do not add bhindi with the other vegetables because bhindi will turn slimy. So we shallow fry the bhindis and keep it aside and add it later on. Now we will check if the vegetables in the kadhi are cooked. Now see, the potato is cooked, which means that all other vegetables are also cooked. Now at this point we will add the fried bhindis. Cover the pan and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Now we'll add 2 tablespoons of tamarind pulp and a small piece of jaggery. Give it a quick mix. And cover and cook it for a minute. The flavorful Sindhi Kadhi is ready to be served. You can serve this with steamed rice and aloo tuk. Recipe for aloo tuk is given in the description box below and also in the I button at the top right hand corner of this video. If you liked the video, please press the like button, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video.